If you're getting a C-F2 error on your Samsung microwave, I'm going to help you fix this right now. So if you're getting that error, first thing I want you to do is the stop clears to hold that down for 3 seconds. It's on lock. Now we're going to take it off the lock, hold it down again for 3 seconds. Open up the door, see if it'll work. Now if that doesn't work, what I want you to do is unplug the microwave from the wall and then give it a good 20 minutes. Plug it back in, that does like a soft reset, and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't, if you're not able to get to the back of the microwave, go ahead and go to the circuit board in your house and turn it off from the circuit board and make sure that there's no lights here, and then see if that will get your microwave to work. All right, appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe.